Did I ever show you? Did I ever share that TikTok with you? It was this guy. He was like, I don't know. He was like, I'll just have to pull it up and show you.
You can't even see.
Yeah, I can. I didn't know what the hell he was doing. He's making a right turn, but he's stopping and waiting like I'm supposed to go. If I can't see, then how am I driving?
I don't know. That's why I'm saying. All right, where are we going?
I don't know. I thought we were going to Target to get a Lego set.
Yeah.
Then why'd you ask me where we were going if you said yeah?
I don't know. Our favorite store.
Our favorite store?
Oh, what's your favorite store? The vape shop?
No, you're close though.
It better not be. What's your favorite store though?
The dispensary.
Oh my lord.
My favorite store? I don't know.
Target?
No, I have one. I guess it is
Marshalls?
Target. Definitely not Marshalls.
Oh, why not? So fun being in there.
Yeah, I guess not for hours. Every time I go in there, I'm in there for at least an hour.
No. No front row parking today? Oh.
You know how we do it?
Well, we're still pretty far away
the-
from the door, though. The door's like all the way over there. And we're all the way over here.
All the way over there. Oh, we don't need to look. I came here for one thing. Maybe a couple things. Alright, so isn't there 2 aisles of this? Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my god, babe, you see these? These are so cute. It's boring.
Let's do the cat one. Ew. Alright, what's the other side?
Star Wars. We've never even watched Star Wars.
How about this one?
Fountain
Think this one's nice?
Garden.
1,302 pieces.
Oh, it's hard. That's
Babe, I
so
could literally
cute.
build that in like 10 minutes.
Look at this one, babe. So cute.
Alright, so I'm going with this poinsettia, something like that. Flower plant. Guess it looks like that. And which one did you get?
Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna do this.
Well, show them.
Unless I make myself a, like 2 different ones of those.
Plum blossom.
Do we want snacks or we're good?
Sure, if you want, I'm gonna get a drink.
What if?
Several drinks.
What if we get?
Boba. Babe, I don't like boba.
Okay, but
I'll take you to get boba, but I don't want that.
Excuse me. Wait, what's the date like?
Because I was thinking we could go to the dunes, but here's the thing. I don't know if you remember.
It's not that hot though.
It would be, babe, but here's my thing. I don't think the water would be hot. I think we have to go towards the end of summer. That way the water's like been baking in the sun for quite a while.
Last summer. Oh man, it keeps tracking your face. Whatever.
We went July 27th. So maybe it doesn't really matter then.
Yeah, when we went, that water was freezing. I couldn't even
But it's
like,
gonna
get
be
in there.
fucking 76.
It's not that nice to go to the beach. It's cooler by the lake.
No, it won't. Where is that? New Buffalo?
I mean, like, we can go and, like, walk around, but, like, I'm not even gonna put a bathing suit on or anything. Like, I'm not gonna be in the water at all. It'd kind of just be a go walk around.
Oh, it would be 66 up there. Why you do that like you know everything?
Babe, because that's, like, by the lake, it's always cool. I used to watch the weather on the news.
Why didn't you become a meteorologist?
I already am a meteorologist.
Sure you are.
As I was saying, they always said that it's cooler by the lake. Whoa.
What?
You see those cars?
I seen them. Did I hit them?
No, I'm saying they almost hit us.
Slammers game. We can go to a Slammers game.
What car is that? Oh, that thing? Why the wheels all slanted?
Now that sounds like shit. That sounds like shit.
But the wheels were like, how do you?
Oh, babe, they're probably not even open.
Ooh. Oh man. Yeah, it kind of looks closed. I guess we didn't think of that.
Wait.
Oh my god, now what am I gonna drink?
Time's that game Friday. 6:35.
So sad. I've been thinking about that boba like all day too. You go that way to go out onto that street. I was just saying, oh my lord. Just trying to help out.
Who's the one driving? Me.
Fine, I'm not talking no more.
I'm the one driving.
I ain't gonna say one word.
Good. You know, I put the AC on for you, and then you just...
The window was open before, so there
Yeah,
you
then
go.
you
I
said it was
closed
hot in here, so I put the AC on.
Yeah, well, you could have closed the window. I'm blaming it on me.
I have to.
Why?
Because.
You sound like my dad. Look, now I'm like super hot because you turned on the AC.
You could have turned it on, it's right there.
Well, you never let me touch any buttons because you say, I'm the one driving. You can't touch the aux and blah, blah, blah.
I don't say that.
Yeah, okay, so then why can't I play my music?
Because it's my car. And I do let you play your music.
One song every, like, once a month?
Well,
Whatever.
I'm doing the poinsettia. I feel like the lighting's gonna be so bad. But whatever.
Yeah, it is really. But not even gonna show mine. What is mine? Plum Blossom.
Alright, here we go.
I didn't even open
I'm
mine.
already started. She hasn't even opened it. Bag number 1.
Bag number 1, I only have like one bag.
What the helly? I'm cooking. I'm already almost done.
Almost done. You see how big that book is? You are not almost done. Oh, there it is. Step 1 done.
I'm flying through this.
Oh Lord. I can't get my pieces out of here.
For what it's worth, that's what I got so far.
That was gonna be so small. This is what I have so far.
Alright, I'm definitely making the vase here, that's for sure. Who's that? Hello! Talk to him, someone's saying hi. I can't read that.
Hi, Zeta. Thank you for liking the live, Zeta. I hope I'm saying your name right. Thank you for saying my name right. Okay, perfect. I always like feel bad if I say people's names wrong. Oh, she followed us. I don't know if she's still in here, but thank you for the follow. Look, I got the bottom of it.
Look at that.
Okay.
Bag numero dos.
Oh, snack break. These are like I don't like Fritos, but this flavor is so good.
See how she didn't offer me any?
You see how I put the bag in the middle of this?
I don't want any anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna finish before you finish yours.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, but yours is like bigger than mine. Like I literally only have these pieces and then the little flowers.
Exactly, so you should finish before I do.
I'm working on it.
You're definitely working on it. Snacking on those Fritos, that's for sure. I'm teasing. Chill out. Did they say anything? Someone's liking the live. Who's liking the live?
That's Zeta. Zeta from earlier.
Tell her thank you. I can't see. Zeta?
Yeah, remember Zeta?
Yeah. Thanks, Zeta, for liking the live. Who we at? Who we like? Whatever, you're no help.
I'm trying to hold it.
Who likes?
Damn, 645. Thanks, Zeta. How are y'all doing? We're doing good. We're just building these Legos. I don't know, doing something fun.
Doing great. I mean, look at what I got so far. This big chunk of, this is the pot. So, oh, shoot, hold on, I can really see. That's what I'm making. So this is the bottom piece. I'm locked in. I'm too locked in. On bag number 3, but before we go to bag number 3, another commercial break.
Oh, damn. How did you do that?
I literally just followed the instructions. Wait, what the hell? Where does that go? Wait, did I fuck this up? Oh shit, I fucked this up. I gotta fucking take all this shit apart.
What did you mess up? You missed
This
up.
black piece has to go the other way. So now somehow I gotta... Fuck, I fucked up.
Focus on top of mine.
You know, gotta deal with a little adversity sometimes, you know. Mess something up, you don't freak out, you just go back and fix it, that's all. Alright, I fixed it.
It lets me look. It lets me match it in there. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if they can even see it.
Maybe.
I don't know. It like shows. It like lets you match up this. I'm like here to make sure you're right. Well, it's correct. Oh wait.
I am Benito.
What is what? What does that mean? This is not a word.
Finished.
What language were you trying to say it in?
Look at that.
Were you trying to say it in Spanish?
It just came out.
Cute.
here's our final products. I felt like it took forever. Well, we finished that pretty much the same time.
It took us like almost 2 hours.
Yeah. Alright, but thanks for watching our little video of us making Legos. And hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully this inspires you to go out and get one and make a Lego set. But thanks for watching. Until next video.